Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
What's up?
Not much, how about you?
How was your day?
It was great, thank you.
How are you?
I'm doing great.
You look nice today.
Thanks, you too.
Nice haircut.
I appreciate it.
That's a great idea.
Glad you think so.
You're so smart.
That's kind of you.
Is today a holiday?
No, it's a workday.
What is this?
It's a new book.
Why are you late?
I missed the bus.
How's the weather?
It's very cloudy.
What time is it?
It's almost 3 p.m.
Why are you upset?
I lost my keys.
What is your favorite drink?
I love lemonade.
What's your address?
I live in Brooklyn.
Have you eaten?
Yes, I have.
Have you been to Paris?
Yes, I loved it.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I do.
Do we need an umbrella?
Yes, just in case.
Are you ready to go?
Almost, give me a sec.
Have you been to London?
Yes, once before.
Have you met my brother?
No, not yet.
Where are you from?
I'm from Boston.
Where are you going?
I'm heading to college.
Where is the bus stop?
It's not far from here.
Who is your favorite actor?
I like Tom Cruise.
Can you help me?
Sure, I'd be happy to.
Can you wait for a moment?
Sure, I'll wait.
Can you open the door, please?
Sure, I'll do that.
When is your vacation?
It's in December.
Is this your first time here?
No, I've visited before.
How do you usually study?
I study in the morning.
Can you speak Spanish?
No, I can't speak it.
Have you been to the beach this year?
Yes, I went last summer.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books.
Can you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Have you ever seen a movie twice?
Yes, I've watched Inception twice.
How long have you been studying English?
I've been studying for 3 years.
Have you visited the museum?
Yes, I went last week.
Is this the right way to the station?
Yes, keep going straight.
How much does this cost?
It costs $20.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a writer.
How did you celebrate your last birthday?
I had a small party.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
Have you ever gone hiking?
Yes, I went last spring.
When do you usually exercise?
I usually exercise in the evening.
Can I borrow your headphones?
Sure, you can borrow them.
Is this your new car?
Yes, I just bought it.
When are you leaving for vacation?
I'm leaving next Friday.
Can you recommend a good book?
Yes, try reading 1984.
Is this your favorite restaurant?
Yes, I love their food.
Shall we order dessert?
Yes, I'd love that.
I'm happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too.
It's so nice to talk to you.
Me too, I love talking with you.
Have a good evening.
You too, thanks.
See you tomorrow.
See you then.
Bye-bye.
Until next time, stay amazing.